One of many reasons that I like about Linux is the wide variety of the devices that can be run on. In today's video, I will show some of the devices that runs or can run Linux. I said some because Linux runs in much more different devices you can think of. And I will only show the devices that I own. If I try to show all of them that exist in the world, this video maybe will be 2 hours long, or even more. This is my desktop computer, running Linux. The distribution is Arch Linux. This is normal. Linux was made in mind to run on a regular desktop/laptop computer. I can update the computer to the latest software available. Also, I can go to the terminal and see, for example, the task manager or Ascaladier process viewer. In this example is htop showing the CPU usage, RAM usage, and the list of running processes. But I can also do the same on my tablet or smartphone. Install Termux from Play Store. I recommend installing via F-Droid App Store for various reasons. And also run htop, and also a screen fetch. But my router also runs Linux, and with my tablet I can SSH to my router. Ping to google.com. And guess what? Run htop. The devices can be very crazy, unusual, like the most recent one is the Nintendo Switch. Yes, now Linux can be run on a Nintendo Switch. You can turn your portable games machine in a tablet running work applications. Or you can run Linux on an old PlayStation 2. A 300 MHz CPU with a 32 megs of RAM with 2 USB ports version 1.1 running Linux? Let's try if this old PlayStation 2 with an old Linux kernel detects my modern hardware, a mechanical keyboard and a MaxMaster 2S mouse. And there you go! A PlayStation 2 running Linux and using the gamepad as a mouse. The window manager is Fluxbox, version released back in 2005. The list of software included is good. Let's see if the mouse and keyboard works. And it works, as expected. This is madness. This is Linux. This bash version was released in 1999, and the Linux kernel was released in 2001. This process viewer is top, similar to htop. You can type on your favorite text editor. This Vim version is from 2001. Nice. Awesome. The PlayStation 2 has an Ethernet port. Let's try to connect the PlayStation 2 to the internet. And it's connected. Let's SSH to another Linux machine, the $35 Raspberry Pi. It's also running Arch Linux. Now you know, if anytime you will be prohibited from using computers or smartphones, you can use a PlayStation 2 as an SSH machine to do your sysadmin work. I think you've got the point. Linux is very flexible. This is only one of the many reasons that I like using Linux. If you liked this video and want to see more videos like that, one way to help me is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you. That's all for today, and see you in the next video.